Hi everyone, I'm Raphael Gaudreault. I'm located in Montreal, Canada, and I'm here to present you today Eva. Eva, what it is basically a ride-sharing application. For example, like Uber or Lyft, or like Arcade City that used to live on the Ethereum network. So basically, it's as simple to use as any other ride-sharing application, but the underlying protocol is blockchain, and it's an EOS blockchain. So the problem is we see many cities over the world that have the problem of aggregators like Uber or Lyft that come in their city, and they take an economy that used to be local, for example, the taxi industry, and they're transforming this economy in a centralized economy where there's often tax evasion and drivers are being paid quite less. So what we propose to this is a solution that is totally decentralized and is as simple to use as Uber or Lyft, or even way easier than any taxi service. And it can be liked by government because it works with the local institutions by forming cooperatives. So basically, we want to do a network of cooperative where each cooperative gets 10% of each ride, and there's another 5% that goes to the token economy, and the remaining goes directly to the driver. So the driver is getting paid more than any other alternative, and there's an incentive for people to create cooperative on which the driver and rider has a say on the profit. So exactly, and the 5% that I'm talking to you about is considered as dividends. So basically, each 5% of the profit on each ride will go to the token holders proportionally to their holdings in the ecosystem. So if you buy the token, you get some return on investment if there's many rides in the system. So it's a way to grow the network and create a community all around and there's a 10% that is an incentive. So Eva has more acceptability, like I said, because of the cooperative model and the fact that the economy stays local, apart from the 5% that goes to the blockchain network. So here's some market research. I don't think we have time for this. Right now, we're doing a private beta in Montreal. So we had like the first test of our app. The app is quite ready. So for example, here I can connect on the app. And everything that connects the driver and the rider runs on a smart contract. So basically, the whole thing is decentralized, even if there's some off-chain algorithm that allows the GPS service and tasks that are way too heavy. Sorry, this is because I'm running a dev version. And we had some rides so far, and we're opening the open beta in September here in Montreal, Canada, and we want to open in many cities in the upcoming months after we get the result from our beta in Montreal and our pilot project. So right now the MVP is ready, and we had article with Wikipedia that talked about the project, and we had a media release here in Montreal really recently. So here, you can see all the views, for example, the ride invoice, and you can see that a certain amount goes to the community, the cooperative on which the profit can be redistributed in the locality, and there's a token treasury that is the rewards that are getting distributed to each Eva token holders. Will Eva dividends make the token a security? We're right now writing our white paper. I will send you the draft, and all this information will be written down if you want to know more about the project. And as an incentive to grow the project, we have promotional codes and everything is simple to use. We even have a credit card payment and a stable token that backs it. So basically, we're creating two tokens right now. There's a stable token that is exchanged between rider and drivers in the smart contract. And there's the utility token or security maybe, that is a reward token that people can invest on to get rewards from the profitability of the network. Right now, the UI still looks a bit rough, but we're working on that. We did the protocol. So that's basically it. We're many people working on this thing. And That's the project basically. We have many partners for the local cooperative. That is the first one we're launching in Canada, Montreal. And I guess that's it. Thank you very much.